Welcome to Superlift Garage Door Openers. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the battery in your Superlift remote. If you need help pairing your remote, this is covered in the video for your specific garage door opener motor. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and replacement battery. Using the small flathead screwdriver, remove the cover plate. With the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws. Open the remote, laying out the parts clearly for an easy reassemble. Using the small screwdriver, remove the battery. Replace the battery with one of the same type. To check the battery's working, press any button to confirm the red light comes on. Reassemble the remote, double checking it's still working at each step. For more information on this and other Superlift products, check your manual or visit our website.